What's up, guys? I welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. This channel content has to do with CorelDRAW, Illustrator, and Photoshop. If you want to learn graphics design, all you have to do is to subscribe to this channel. Free tutorial from Monday to Friday in CorelDRAW, Adobe Illustrator, and Adobe Photoshop. Whenever you visit my channel, all you have to do is to make sure you click on the video. When you click on video, you'll be able to see the present and past tutorial in CorelDRAW, Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator, both beginner and advanced tutorial. So when you click on the video, remember to scroll down to see my past and present tutorial in CorelDRAW, Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Illustrator. So if you want to learn graphics from the beginning to advanced, this channel is the best for you. So let's get today's tutorial started. Welcome back, guys. This video I'm going to teach you how you can make creative copy Facebook tagline to illustrator to press Ctrl minus push medium shape. Okay, so I can drag this side. So guys, the size for this particular banner is 851 by 315 plus 300 pixels. Now give you color. So that's the page layout. So what you have to do is to make sure you know how you can handle your pen tool very well. But before we do that, we have to import our picture. All you have to do is to go to your file, you click on place. So from this point here, this is where you locate your design. Go. Click on place. Okay. So let's say I'm going to do, I'll go to my menu bar, click on objects, then lock, and selection. I'll press Ctrl plus 2 and click on so automatically. Okay. So next I'll go back to my pen tools now. So I will select my pen tool. Close to half is fine. So I can change the color to this half. Then I'll go back to my pen tools again. Now another half of this one here. Now change the color to this red. Now click on this black layer. Right click, hide, then the font. I'm going to have this one. Yeah. Let's now go back to my pen tool again. And from this point here, I'll pick another part. Let's now change the color to this color right here. Now I'll click on the black layer. I'll press Shift key on my keyboard and click on the red layer. Then I'll right click, arrange, then bring the font. Here I have this. This. Okay. Now I'll go back to the rectangle. Color this part. And this now. Okay, part. Okay, color this red. Another part again. Okay, color this red again. This. I'll grab my pencils. I'll put part here. Next I'll click on this black layer, red layer, right there, arrange and click on. So you can have a very nice copy here. So next time I'm going to do guys, I'm going to copy all these text copy down here. Let's go right there. Arrange them once. Good. Then this once here, hot copy. Here. Arrange. Press Ctrl +0 to enter that. So guys, this is how you make a creative coffee Facebook timeline illustrator. If you enjoyed this video, click like. If you have any question for me, put your question in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.